Hi guys, it's Future Labs. My name is Fro, and today we're not gonna talk about some coins, some NFTs, some collections, themes, or something like that. We're gonna talk about particularly the exchange and one of my most favorite ones. It's called the OKX, and today I'm gonna tell you exactly straight away why. But before this video starts, I'd like to ask you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and let's dive into the video. First really awesome thing about them is that they were located in Hong Kong. Now they moved straight into the Malta. So if they into the Malta, they don't really care where you're from, what you're doing, and all of this stuff, like what your nationality is, and you won't be like scared about some blocking or some other things. Another really good thing about them is that they got really low price for the commissions and for any transactions you got, because on the Binance, for example, we got quite high commissions. On the Bybit, we got extremely high commissions, and if we're talking about the OKX, they got quite average commissions for trading and for sending some money. This is really thing that I love about them. And another really cool thing is that they got these categories, like for meme category, GameFi category, the storage, of course, layer 2, DeFi category, and NFT category as well. This is really cool thing. You won't find any of these categories on the whole exchange, and even of the biggest, I think, websites such as Market Cap, there is no category such as Mimi. This is just like awesome. So as on any exchange, you get the futures, perpetual swap, margin, like whatever. But what I really love about them is that they get the trading data inside of their platform, inside of their app. And this is so much tools for you to analyze spot data, futures data, options data. And there is no so much information, so much of these indicators, even on really big websites with analytics and all other stuff. So this is really interesting thing that can help you to earn in your trading, in your daily trading, in your investing, like whatever. You can try to find some signals on these indicators, or like when you don't know, do you need to enter this deal or to drop it or to sold it or to buy it, you just can go in here and maybe something here will tell you what do you need to do right now. They even have their own board that you can set the strategy. This is kind of sheet, spot sheet thing. Yeah, I don't know how does it work particularly. Maybe this is a theme for another video. You can try yourself into this, but what I know is you can set it and it will be trading for you in some space of the price that you will give for them. I don't think it's really good enough, because the good bots are cost so much money for the trading and it's still not very effective. But you can try this one and maybe you can try to figure some out, because I haven't seen any bots on the like inside bots of the trading markets. Yeah, I haven't seen none like that before. The more interesting category in here, I think, is that grow category. Is this all of this staking that you can find yourself. Really good staking in here with really good APY. So 50% for 15 days is just insane. Of course, you can stake some stable coins. Yeah, so like TrueUSD is actually giving you for around like 6%. This is so much actually for the stable coin staking. Yeah, there are some fixed income in here. There are some dual investment in here. Is that when you becoming the market maker, I believe. Yeah, flash deals. This is kind of, I think, when Ethereum is fall so much, some people need the liquidity. You know, I think some platforms need some liquidity, so you just go in here into the staking and you get yourself just insane APY, so you can get around like 7-8% for only 5 days. This is really good if you catch some market turnovers. This is just awesome. And of course, we can find for ourselves some DeFi staking in here as well. Another awesome thing about this exchange is that it's really simple to transfer your money from another exchange. You don't need to make so much approvals from your email, from your phone, from your Google Authenticator. it recognizes, it knows some of your addresses, and this is not so long as the other exchanges do, and transactions are really fast and really cheap. But one of the most interesting features in here is that their own NFT marketplace, and they haven't done it in their own token as the Binance did, for example, on the BNB on their token, and another trading thing is on BUSD, and it's not so interesting for everybody else. But in here we have at first the primary IGO section that we all need to keep look on, and this platform is completely on Ethereum, and you just connecting your wallet in here and go and trading NFT for yourself. And this is just awesome that they haven't set it for like you need to be into like this ETH need to be on this exchange for you to buy anything. You just connect your wallet, your MetaMask or whatever, you just go and buy what do you need to buy. And this is some possibilities for arbitration, I think, between the platforms. So for example, you can try to scalp some crypto punts in here, catch one for around like, I don't know, for example 70 and sell it on the OpenSea for 79. This is just like, for example, get yourself some profit on the arbitraging with other platforms, because this platform is not so hype right now, not so many people are know about it, and when not so many people know about it, there are always some good possibilities to earn a good money. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you're looking for exchange that will become your #1 for trading, for NFTs, for whatever, you can use an OKX. This is one of the best exchange I know in the whole crypto sphere.